Hey there and welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. Today we have a review video on Adams Polishes Glass Cleaner. Now you have seen me, if you watch the older videos, I did, microphone's on. I did a review on the glass cleaner. When I bought the sample kit, I did a review on all the stuff in the sample kit. But in that 8-bottle bag kit, I got a microfiber towel, the glass cleaner towel, 2 of them. It's got a long nap on one side and a short nap on the other side. So we're gonna clean the glass on the journey. Let's do it. So I haven't done an update on the engine for a while. Last time you guys saw it was all tore apart on my table, my workbench with the pistons and everything out of it. I put all new piston rings in it, new rod bearings, new main bearings, all new valves, head gaskets, obviously, all your miscellaneous gaskets, head gaskets, intake gaskets. I don't have the intake on, but intake gaskets. All the sensors, cam sensor, crank sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor, oil pressure sensor, new water pump, new thermostat, and housing right there. Painted the miscellaneous stuff. I painted the crank sensor, or crank pulley, because it was nasty and all rusty. I painted the block just a black color. I painted the exhaust manifold covers. I know this stuff's going to come off, but it's going to look nice when I first put it in. Valve covers I painted, which are plastic. One of them was cracked. It was cracked like right here. I didn't realize it till I went to go to install it and I saw it, so I had to get one from a junkyard, because it's $50 for a junkyard one or $130 for a brand new one from the dealer. Tell me that's not crazy for one plastic valve cover. All new timing chains. Now this engine, if you know anything about these Chrysler engines, it's got 2 secondary chains. So you have the very furthest chain back is the right side chain, and then you have the left side chain, and then in the middle you have the main chain. I wasn't planning on showing this, but let me show you something real quick. It's kind of a crazy setup, and then we'll get back to the glass cleaner. Right there's the timing chain stuff. Timing chain, you can see the 2 chains going to the side, the 2 tensioners, top and bottom, and then all the orange marks are, I mark every bolt when I torque them, that way I know I torqued it and I don't have to second guess myself whether I torqued them or not. So anyways, I wanted to give you guys an update, because I gave you an update. I've given you a couple updates. I didn't want to make a video on doing this. I have to take my time doing it, and when you're torquing bolts and putting this together and that together, I didn't really want to have to worry about the camera, so that's why I didn't make a full video of this. But anyways, there's a good update for you on the motor. Okay. Now the glass is actually pretty clean, but it is freshly washed, so I want to make sure that the glass is in tip-top shape. And I remember this from the sample kit, and I love this glass cleaner, and I've not used it yet since I got the 8-bottle bag kit. But let me read the directions for you, because this is a review and the top is actually coming off. It just spilled on my hand. That would be my own fault, not Adams, because they send these with a lid on them, and then they send you the sprayers, so you put it together. Spray fine mist onto surface to be cleaned using an Adams glass towel, which is this. Wipe outside edges, then work towards the middle of the surface. Flip the towel over to a clean side or use a separate towel and wipe away any remaining residue for a perfect finish. Repeat for all glass. Says for use with Adams Visco clay bar. To save some detail spray when cleaning a vehicle, use glass cleaner as a lubricant. Wow, I never knew you could use a glass cleaner for a lubricant. Adams clay bar when cleaning exterior glass. Spray glass cleaner onto windshield or side window. Stretch Visco clay bar to fit the blah 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 blah. Using light pressure rub clay. I'm not doing any of this, so anyways. Common sense warning: a little product goes a long way with Adams glass cleaner. Spray lightly to achieve a streak-free finish. Do not spray directly onto instrument cluster. Instead, spray the Adams glass towel first. Says it's safe for interior and exterior glass, mirrors, and around the house. Will not harm tinted windows, which is good because I have tinted windows, or navigation screens. Can be used as a lubricant when cleaning glass. So that's pretty cool. So typical microfiber towels that have a long nap on this side and a short nap on this side, this is the side you're going to do the first wiping with, the long nap side, and then kind of the buff with the short nap. So well, I already know what this is going to do. I love this stuff, but I'm going to do sorry, it's a brand new bottle and I didn't even have it open. Okay, let's try that again. Fail number 1. Oh, I don't like that sprayer on this bottle. Just got it all over my paint too. The smell to me smells like a glass cleaner. Like the old school Windex glass cleaners. I say old school, they still make it. Back when I was a kid, the type of glass cleaners I used when my mom made me do windows. And look at that, streak free. No streaking at all. Let me go over here and do this window. Now, I don't like this sprayer. I'll tell you that much. Let's see if it does it again. Nope, it was just the first couple times apparently. I normally use Grio's Garage foamy glass sprayer, but after I use this out of that sample kit, I don't think there's any going back to that. This stuff is really good, because there's nothing worse than cleaning your whole car and having streaking glass. Ooh. Another window right here. And look at that. No streaks. It flashes. I don't even need to use this other side of the towel. This towel is really cool. I like it. And one thing I do like about it is it's green, just like their glass cleaner. Or the camera it may look yellow on the camera, but it's green. It is not yellow. It's like a fluorescent green, I guess. So they say it's safe for tint. Let me move the camera around so you guys can hopefully see. I'm sorry, I'm standing right in your guys' way. Our windows are tinted all the way around in this vehicle. Remember, you don't want to use a lot of glass cleaner. That's how you get streaking. Or the other way you get streaking when cleaning automotive glass or any glass is you let this get too wet and you continue to use it. You get a lot of streaking. Man, that works so good. I really, really like this product. Let's go on the front window, and that'll be it as far as the tests are concerned, because it's just a glass cleaner. There's really not a whole lot to show, but I wanted to at least do a review on it to show you guys what it does. Let's go ahead and we'll just do it right here. That's probably a little bit too much product. Leave it to me. I said that the only way you're going to get streaky is if you use too much product, and I use probably too much. And look at that. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, how fast that listen to me, how fast that flashed. It flashed really fast. In fact, I don't even need this other side of this towel. I'm going to go around, do the rest of the videos, and we'll come back and do final thoughts. I'm telling you, if you're not using Adams Polish's glass cleaner, I would buy it. If you're like me, which most of you probably are if you're watching my channel once again, look at streak free. If you're anything like me, you've tried a lot of glass cleaners. Look, yes, that's my windshield. You can't even see it. There's the dash. You're looking through my windshield. It's that clean. Look how clean it is. It's just amazing. I've never found a glass cleaner that works this well. Great product. Looks like I hardly even used any. I'm gonna show you guys something that I do. Well, I was going to, but I don't see my marker. Let me show you. I'll do it here in a second. I'll grab a marker. So when I use a product on a car, a brand new product, I like to know how long it's going to last me. So I'll put marks. This product right here I've used on 2 cars. Now if I don't use a product on a whole car, let's say I just use that on just a section, I'm not going to put a mark on it. But if I use it around a whole vehicle, I put a mark on it. So I'm going to put a dash right on here with my magic marker. And that's going to tell me I did all the windows on this car, and I want to see how long this bottle lasts me. But by looking at it, I would say, I don't think it's far stretched to say 10 to 15 cars, if not 20. Because look, there's like I barely even used it. So I really like this product, and I think you guys knew that was going to happen just by the beginning of this video. This product is so good. I have tried countless window cleaners, and they all work okay at first, but then the more you use them, you start noticing, when you do your front windshield, nighttime, if you're driving west and you're driving into the sun, you notice all this cloudiness inside your windshield right after you cleaned it. This stuff does not do that. I've been using it out of that sample kit. This stuff does not use it. So great glass cleaner. 2 thumbs up, Adams Polishers, for this glass cleaner. I really, really like it. And I would recommend it to any one of you for sure. You're not going to find a better glass cleaner than this, in my opinion. That's my opinion. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Hit that little bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And we will see you in the next Adams Polishers review video.